welcome to my channel. My name's Larissa and today we're going to be making a healthy vegetable melty melt. I absolutely love this recipe. My family loves it so much and I've literally eaten this all week long. And I don't feel bad about it because it's so healthy. So here's the ingredients you're going to need. Okay, so you're gonna need 4 cups of spinach. I have fresh, you can use fresh or frozen. 10 tortillas, I'm just using wheat. 1 cup of onion. 2 cups of broccoli cooked. 1 cup of mushroom. A teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of hot pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of garlic. As far as cheese, I'm using a Mexican style. You can use whatever you have on hand. And then here I just have olive oil. Okay, so you're going to want to put 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan and just get that nice and hot. I have mine on a medium-low heat. I'm using a gas stove. If you have electric, then just put it on medium. Basically, you just want these to get nice and soft for about 5 minutes. Okay, so when they look like this, you're going to want to go ahead and add your onion, and that's going to cook for another 5 minutes. You're looking for like a golden brown color, and you just want them to just soften up. Just give it a nice little stir here and there. Okay, now it's time to add our garlic, and that's going to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, so next you want to add your spinach. I just added half at a time because my pan was a little bit smaller. But if you're using a bigger pan, then you can just throw it all right in at the same time. Alright, and now you just want to add your broccoli, and you just want to stir everything until it's nice and combined. Alright, now it's time to add our spices. Again, it was a teaspoon of pepper and 2 tablespoons of hot pepper flake. Or I'm sorry, it was 1 or 2, but you can add as much as the hot pepper as you like. Okay, so I just transferred this to a colander. I'm just going to let that sit while I heat the tortillas to get rid of some of that moisture. Okay, so here you just want to throw a tortilla on the pan until it gets some nice grill marks. Then just flip it over, and then you want to add your cheese. I think I used about 2 tablespoons. That kind of looks like 3. But yeah, so now you want to add your filling. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the vegetable mixture. Now if you're doing the pizza, just spread that all even right over the cheese, and then it's pretty much done at that point. But since I wanted the quesadilla here, I'm just going to flip the tortilla just like so, right in half. And then I'm gonna flip it just one more time to get those pretty grill marks on both sides. I just like mine like really crispy, so yeah. Alright, and that's pretty much all it takes. It's so good. I'm telling you, your family will love this recipe.